Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we combine festive charm with everyday functionality. Today I'm giving you a tour of my Christmas kitchen decor. This season I transformed our kitchen into a cozy festive space with warm earthy tones, nostalgic touches, and sprinkle of DIY magic. So grab a cup of hot cocoa and let's get into it. Let's start with the heart of the kitchen, the island. I styled this space with a cozy vignette on a wood round tray from HomeSense. It features Norfolk pine branches, a textured vessel, two bells in a different size for a subtle jingle, a sweet mailbox, and a DIY deer figurine for a rustic handmade touch. I also included a candle snuffer to go with it from Dollar Tree, to create a warm and festive focal point that draws everyone in.
Love you.
I've been out running all day. Nothing catches my eye. What do you get for someone who has it all? I've been to
Let's talk about my favorite corner, the coffee station and hot cocoa bar. I hung a festive sign from HomeSense above the setup and added a heated lamp and candle for the cozy ambience. A gingerbread cookie jar and a Disney countdown add nostalgic charm, while the hot cocoa supplies make it perfect for holiday mornings. It's both practical and fun for the whole family.
For Christmas is this, a Christmas kiss. Close your eyes and pucker your lips, 'cause here it is, your Christmas kiss.
Over in the mixer corner, I've combined functionality with seasonal decor. A vintage thrifted cutting board anchors the setup with a diffuser and a second cutting board in the background. I added a Christmas tree-shaped cutting board from HomeSense which pairs beautifully with the DIY gingerbread man board. Together they create a festive yet functional corner perfect for all of my holiday baking. For the stove area, a spot that needs to stay functional but can still be festive, I've added a gingerbread spoon holder that's both practical and adorable. It ties in perfectly with the warm holiday charm of the rest of the kitchen. I added a simple wreath above the stove using a command hook. It's understated yet elegant and complete the festive look without overwhelming the space. Sometimes less really is more.
For Christmas is this.
Moving over to the left countertop, I went for an earthy curated vibe. A pine tree from HomeSense sits in a simple Dollarama pot surrounded by thrifted cutting boards and a wooden house collection. I added a wooden bowl filled with faux gingerbread cookies, vintage-inspired DIY cookie cutters, fresh cedar from my garden, and dried orange slices. It's such a nostalgic holiday touch that brings back memories of baking cookies and crafting with family.
So close your eyes and pucker your lips.
And that wraps up my kitchen decor tour. I hope you found some inspiration to bring festive charm into your own home this season. Whether it's cozy vignettes, nostalgic touches, or simple DIYs, there's something special about creating a space where holiday memories can be made. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wishing you all a warm and magical holiday season. See you in the next video.